Hey guys, what's up? It's Megan and I'm here to do a cover of Sean Kingston's Beautiful Girls for you. Hope you like it. You're way too beautiful, girl. That's why it'll never work. You'll have me suicidal when you say it's over. See, it started at the park, used to chill at the dark. Oh, when you took my heart, that's when we fell apart. 'Cause we both thought that love lasts forever. They say we're too young to get ourselves wrong. Oh, we didn't care, we made it very clear. And they also said we couldn't last together. See, it's very divine, girl, one of a kind. Boy, I mash up my mind, you ought to get declined. Oh Lord, my baby is driving me crazy. You're way too beautiful, girl. That's why it'll never work. You'll have me suicidal when you say it's over. Damn, all these beautiful girls, they only wanna do you dirt. They'll have you suicidal when you say it's over. It was back in '99, watching movies all the time. Oh, when I went away for doing my first crime, and I never thought that we was gonna see each other. And then I came out, mom and moved me down south. Oh, I'm with my girl, who I thought was my world. It came out to be she wasn't the girl for me.